Hey, what's up guys, it's Jude back with another video. So in this video we're gonna be reviewing UpStake ICO. So if you are interested in investing in this ICO, so be sure to click on the link in the description. So let's get started with the video. UpStake is an exciting new concept that helps in increasing token value every hour through their unique innovative exchange. Means they're gonna be having their own internal exchange which will help in increasing the token value every hour. You can also join the Telegram channel. The token sale will be end after 20 days from now. But if you want to buy, just click on this buy token. The initial price of the one UPS token will be $0.50. It will be changing from time as the ICO cap go on. Here is some brief information about UpStake. What is UpStake? UpStake is a new and innovative platform giving investors a powerful tool to generate wealth. Just simply by holding tokens. As each hour passes, the value of UPS token increases. Means they are telling that we can generate wealth by holding token. As each hour passes, the value of the token will be increases. UPS token value. Our unique business model is simple. The price of the UPS token increases hourly. Means they are telling that as the price of the token will be increases hourly, investors can invest in these tokens and have a very good confidence as they can exactly see the value which will be set in the future. Anytime UPS token are sold, we burn 1% of the circulation. This will create the underlying value of UPS token. Means every time the UPS token are sold, they will burn 1% out of the circulation, and this will create underlying value of UPS and help UPS tokens grow more in price. Unique exchange concept. They will be having their own internal exchange. They are not gonna be using some external internal exchange. Demo is now available in the website. So if you want to check out that, the link will be in the description. Detail of ICO. The initial coin offering will be run for exactly 31 days, split into 4 rounds. Means initial offering will be running for 31 days and it will be in 4 rounds. Be divided into 4 rounds. Exact detail of the ICO can be found within the platform. At the end of ICO, our exchange platform will begin and member will be able to trade and set in the UPS growth plan. Means at the end of the ICO, the exchanger can exchange their UPS to Bitcoin and they can trade in their own internal exchange. The remaining tokens that are not sold will be burned. You can see the hard cap of the tokens. So if you want to buy, just click on this buy token now and you will be redirected to the website from where you can deposit the BTC and buy your own UPS token. And here you can find the roadmap of the UpStake ICO. You can go through it to find out more details. Click on the download their white paper. You can go through it to know more information. And at last there is a Q&A part from where you can find the most common questions and answer. They're like, what is UpStake and how UpStake makes money? What if I can't sell my tokens, like that. So if you want full list, just click on the full list of Q&A and here you will find answer for all your questions. You can click on the support and they have really good support like 24 hours. Now let's go through how to buy UPS tokens and how internal exchange look. If you are creating a new account, just click on this sign up, fill your first name, last name, nickname, email address, password, and you have to confirm the password again. And in register this, and in sponsor ID you can add my sponsor ID if you want. After just creating your account, verify it and just click on the login. After just logging in, it will be redirecting you to the dashboard. From here you will find how much UPS token you have in your wallet. In system stats you can find number of registered users, circulating tokens and referrals, and you can see here UPS market cap. This all the feature will be unlocked. Company revenue will be available after 1st June. Buy and sell balance will be available after the 1st June. As the ICO overs, it will be all available for you. They have their own profit calculator from where you can find out profit from their UPS token after a certain amount of time, just by adding your current UPS and investment amount in USD and set the number of days to hold after exchange open, and it will calculate your profit. This will be unlocked after 1st June. So when you click on ICO, it will show the round 1. So in the round 1, the token price is about 0.50 US dollar, and if you go to round 2, and the if you go to round 2, the token price will be increased to $0.75, and if you wait for third round, it will be $1, and for fourth round, it will be 1.25 US dollar. So if you want to buy, just click on this deposit BTC and just scan this code or just copy this address, and then just send the amount of BTC you want to buy UPS token. After just depositing your BTC, it will be shown here. As you can see, this I have deposited 0.05 BTC, and afterwards you can see the price of the BTC to UPS tokens, and afterwards just enter the amount of BTC, just enter the amount of token you have to buy. The minimum token you have to buy is 75 tokens, so just add whatever token you want and just click on this, and it will be automatically calculated here, and just click on this buy UPS. It will be telling you to that confirm your purchase. After just checking all the stuff, just click on this buy UPS, and it will be automatically reflected available balance. As you can see, this I have purchased 75 UPS tokens, and BTC is about 0.04. And when you click on the dashboard again, and it will be showing you the UPS tokens and their current value. And now let's check out their internal exchange. They have implemented a demo to show their users how the exchange will be available after 1st June. Internal exchange will be looking after 1st June as the ICO overs. In here you can find out buyer demand, seller demand, then it means the buying price and the selling price of the current UPS tokens, and it also shows 1 UPS is equal to $2, and it will be also showing the referral bonus and the burn tokens and you can see the administrator fees here, and it is a complete clean UI which help in better user experience. Easy and clean UI. Just enter the UPS token that you want to cash out instead of BTC, and if you want to buy UPS token instead of BTC, then just put it over here in buy tokens, and it will be completed. And here you find all the selling order and the buy order that are placed within the current time. And when you click on this wallet, in wallet you will find all the transaction history that you have done through your account. And at last they have option of referral, from where you can share UpStake to your friends and family and earn a great reward. Anytime they purchase token from the exchange, you will be receiving 1% of the total buying of from our link, which will be reflected directly in our BTC, which will be reflected directly in our wallet. From here you can copy the referral link and send it to your friends, and here you will find active referral, how many people you have referred till now. So this is a very interesting project. So if you want to invest in this project, then just click on the link in the description and invest now. So guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.
Of things we know.